Okay, guys, thanks for being in my last 3 or 4 weeks of the auction that I extended from Christmas. Next one will be in June. Enough guys asked me to do it. Sorry, guys, my voice may go before this one ends. I'm not feeling too good. I got a sick kid at home as well. So the 12 days of Christmas will also go out on the shipping. Shipping's a little slower because I'm not feeling so hot right now. Still missing a few payments. If you guys could get those in as soon as possible. Um, Only 5 prizes this time, guys. So let me show you what they are here. They're going to be the 2017-18 UD Ice Sub-Zero. Sorry, that should say retro. Let me fix that now. Retro rookie 5-card complete redemption set. It's about a $300 card there. Well, combined 5 cards. 2015 Contenders Football Blaster, a 2017 Don Ross Football Blaster, Rick Worthy autograph 8x10 COADA. If you're not familiar from him, he's from the TV show Supernatural. Paula Poundstone 8x10 auto COA from DOA. Everybody knows who she is, I hope. Comedian. Sorry guys, voice is just completely going here. Anyways, I'm going to go live. Time is 10:17 a.m. Eastern. Going into the random. Sorry guys. A lot of names on the list here, just bear with me. Okay, we're in Clubhouse, so we're going to go 3 times. Time 10:18 a.m. Eastern, first random. And 10:18 a.m. Eastern, second random. Sorry guys, there's somebody at the front door, but I'll finish this first. 10:18 a.m. Eastern, third and final random, guys. Good luck. We got the names up there. Just give me a second here. Gone 3 times. 10:18 a.m. Eastern. Top 5 are. Ah, jeez. Just not my day today. Sorry. Come on, there we go. Top 5. We got CJ Gibson, Eli Piroff, Eddie DiMaggio, Joey Billingsley, and Aaron Antonello. So those are the top 5. We're going to go to the winners here. Put your names in. Then we're going to go to the prizes. Well, even this is slower today, guys. Sorry. Okay, we're going to go 3 times again. Let me fix that first before it's all messed up. There we go. Time 10:19 a.m. Eastern, first random. 10:19 a.m. Eastern, second random. So we've gone 2 times. Third and final random, guys. 10:19 a.m. Eastern. Good luck. There we go. Copy that over. Actually, before I do that, 10:19 a.m. Eastern. Okay, let's select all, make that bigger so you guys could see it. Okay, first prize, the Rick Worthy autograph 8x10 goes to CJ Gibson. 2017 Don Ross Football Blaster goes to Eli Piroff. Paula Poundstone 8x10 auto goes to Eddie DiMaggio. 2015 Contenders Football Blaster goes to Joey Billingsley. And the big prize goes to Aaron Antonello, after saying that he probably won't win anything. 2017-18 UD Ice Sub-Zero Rookie 5-card complete set. congratulations, guys. I will get those into your packages. The 2 blasters will ship out. I am too sick to break them, so you guys are going to have fun. I normally ship them out anyways, so anyways, we're going to go in here. We are done. Time 10:21 a.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys.